What up, bro? Camera going, I'm on the phone, and all types of shit popping right now, brody. You say what, dog? Corey? Okay, do that. I'll run it to you. Alright, look, bro, what you think about it?
This shit's crazy.
You feel me?
I fuck with it.
You fuck with it?
That shit crazy.
That shit look good though. Don't it? I got like a red velvet pearl in my paint. I want to bring that shit out a little bit.
It's bringing out all this shit.
Yeah, you see how when the sun hit it, yeah, all that shit blend together, bro. You feel me? Dog.
What's your guy that's about to pull up? What they got?
There you go, right there. He got another Camaro. What up, man? I did everything myself. Painted that joint. Everything. Hell yeah. What up, fam? By myself.
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you.
What you think, man? See the girl, man. Her little new look. I came how you came. You feel me? But I had to put a little twist in that boy. With the rose.
Hey, you ain't lying when you said this paint wet.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet, man. I'm out here on Woodward. It's my first dream cruise. You know, I'm currently stuck in traffic. But we riding, man. I got gang behind me. One of my subscribers pulled up on me, man. We out here cruising together. He got his Camaro, his iroc behind me. You feel me? We living life, baby. It's a beautiful thing. It's how it's supposed to be, man. You get out here, you network, you connect, influence, and you get respect back, man. That's what it's about, baby. So come on with it. Alright, man, so I'm down here for my first Woodward Dream Cruise. And I mean, this boy is doing the fool. Like, I've been stuck in traffic for at least, I don't know, a long time, man, because we ain't been moving. But it's all type of cars out here. Everybody out here right now. It's a beautiful thing. Look at the girls in the back seat waving. You feel me? Vlogging, man. Yeah, the girl got a new look. I mean, she getting all type of attention, dog. I was a little nervous at first too, cause I'm like, some folks might think I might have downgraded by getting rid of the Ruchis and getting these 22-inch irocs, but them boys roll gold. So I got the pink on, baby. We representing the day. All rose everything, man. Turn up. But it's a good look out here. I'm gonna get some content. It's a Firebird for the ride past me right now. I'm gonna get this for y'all real quick. And we're finna have a good time today. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the same YouTube stuff y'all always hear, man. It's the same game. Look at this car. I'm too focused on this car to even get my lineup out, but look at that beauty. Nice. So come on, man, we got a long day ahead of us. Let's get to it. Man, on Woodward Dream Cruise. Passing out these business cards, you feel me? This you, fam?
Yeah.
This boy nice, man.
Thanks.
Let me give you my card. I got a YouTube channel.
Okay.
I build cars, I paint them, custom lights, all that shit.
I got a 63 El Camino that need to be painted.
Check out my channel, man. I'm the guy for you. We can talk. You know what I mean? I got my I think my email. Yeah, my email's on there.
Okay.
So you can find me.
Cool. Okay.
Yep. All right now. What's going on, man? You finna dance or something? You finna break dance? Huh? You had the movement going and shit. I thought you was getting ready to dance.
What's up, fellas?
Hey, what's going on, man?
You alright, guy?
Yes, I'm good. I'm great. Let me give you out my car. I got a YouTube channel. I build cars for a living. I paint, body work, custom lights, all that good shit. I got a Thirdgen Camaro that's currently down there somewhere. Okay. Check out my channel.
Make your way down, alright, buddy?
Yep, thank you, man. Whose Firebird is this? Whose Firebird, you know? You got my card already. Alright, man.
The 442.
That's yours too? You're a good guy. Alright. Don't say that. You got 3 cars down here? I should interview you then. Shit.
No.
I gotta have you on camera.
I don't do
you got,
TV,
You got
buddy.
3 cars, man. Come on. How you doing, fella?
Hey, what's up, bro?
I got a YouTube channel. I build cars,
What's up, brother? Hey, what's up, bro? Right?
Let me out my car, man.
What's up?
I build cars, custom cars, paint them. You custom lighting? Okay. All that good stuff.
Oh, yeah?
That's me right there, that custom.
All right, good, man. I'm gonna go around and get a whole little visual.
Yeah, man. Yep, so you know what to do when I bring it to you.
Where you do your cars at?
What's that?
Where you doing, man?
Right now I got my, at the house. I ain't gonna need a lot to do it at home right now. I'm gonna get my own location soon.
What side of town?
Brownstown, down river.
Okay.
Taylor area.
Brownstown?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, I work in Dearborn, so I know where you're at.
Right.
Right. Far away, yeah.
Yeah,
About 15
yeah.
miles
Yeah.
in that area. Yes, sir. So, check me out.
Oh, yeah,
All
that's
right,
all, man.
brother. Yes, sir. All
Definitely
right, now.
gonna check you out.
Appreciate you. Yep. You out here?
out of here, bro.
All right, my guy.
What's the move? What
It
you
was
doing
good
tonight?
seeing
You
you.
out here?
Chilling for like probably 2 more hours.
2 more hours?
A little longer than that.
If you move around tonight, let me know, bro.
I'm on you then.
100, bro. Appreciate you, my guy.
What's up?
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
fam. Nice meeting you, baby.
Bye, nice
All right, now y'all be safe, bro.
100, bro.
Yup.
Oh, 811!
Hey, looking good, man.
Hey!
What's this? This for alley over here? What's
That's
going
for
on?
art group. It's for 811. Mystic. Call before you dig.
Okay.
We'll come out. We'll mark your utilities. So we just want to be a voice in the community, and if you want a free cape, we got some swag down here too.
I'll take one.
All right, bud. Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Thank you.
Hey, be safe, y'all.
Yes, sir. Same to you.
They got.
Clean ass money over here, man. 383 Stoker inside this place. Feel me? Older. And they out here showing out, boy. Extreme crews, man. All kind of classics down here. Hell yeah. First dream cruise, man. This motherfucker lit too. Got my girl behind me.